So we're here in Vang Vieng. We're heading to this market here, and obviously you can see some mountains there. But at the same time, there's also an area where you could actually get on a zip cord, a zip line, and go all the way down. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that, depending on how high it is, but we're gonna go check this out. There's a lot of tourists here, especially Chinese tourists. There's a whole bunch of them. You can rent buggies as well. Here's the Lagoon Pukam Cave. Check it out. Welcome. Now my cousins and I are here now. We're gonna head all the way to the top, I guess. I'm not sure. Oh. And one thing for sure is Vang Vieng is definitely a tourist spot. A lot of tourists come here. And there is an entry fee of 20,000 Geek per person. There's a fish spa, fish massage. You put your foot in there. Yep. It's 20,000 Geek, 30,000 Geek. I'm gonna get in here with my feet. So I don't know how this is supposed to work, but you just dip your foot in there and then the fish start coming, start nibbling at your feet. Oh man, oh, this feels so weird. Oh it's like, it tickles, but they're eating my feet. Oh, oh, it feels, oh man, it feels so weird. Oh my God, oh. Oh man. Oh man, it tickles. Oh shit. Oh. Oh man. ก็บ่ฮู้จักแปลนะมันกัดกินชุบโอ้เอาขอบ่อยู่ห้องเด้อผมจับมันOh man, this feels so weird. Okay, so probably after about the first 2 minutes, it kind of starts to feel normal, but at the beginning it just feels so weird. It tickles, but it just feels odd. They're like nibbling at your feet. At first I thought, man, it might be kind of painful feeling at first, but the sensation, it feels really, really odd. It's kind of like if you had like basically bugs flying on your legs. It kind of feels like that. And then nibbling on it without mosquito bites, I guess. Okay, so this place does have other things. It is also a cafe and coffee shop. You could just get some stuff to relax here. And if you wanted to do this yourself, it's around 30,000 Geek. So that's approximately $1.38. Definitely worth it, especially if you've never done anything like this. So as you can see here, they are having a great time. But it's also a great time for me as well. And if you've never tried this like I have, it's absolutely worth it. And this whole cafe area is really nice as well. I think my cousins are gonna try this as well. I'm not sure, but they've never tried this before neither. So let's see how their reactions are once they try this out. It's gonna try this kind of thing. He's never done this before neither. First time, man. Okay. Let's see his reactions. Okay. Along. Along.
ใช่คือแบบนี้อย่างไร
ลองเห็นบอกจะแปลบ่ได้บัดจะเฮ็ดนะหามันกินโลดปลาไว้นะปลาไว้ทิ้งปลาไว้มันลึง2 นาทีมันสิลึงอยู่หรอกเอาอีกโอ้ยเบื่ออีเรา That's how I felt too.
ลองมันเลยมาลองมัน
มันกินตีนเจ้านะ So it's my cousin's first time also doing this. Look at this. Look at my other cousins. They might jump in too, but look at this. Convince my other cousin to try this. All right. Okay. It's the first time I ever tried it. Check this out. Let's see what happens.
ไฟออกแม่
เอาลงรถมันบอกไปอย่างนึงเอาลงรถ
อย่างยืนซื้อไอ้เลยนะเหนียวเต็มมือเมื่อกี้คนเดียวบอกลาย
เบอร์บอกมันหนักร้ายนะมันยังน้อยนะเดี๋ยวนี้นะหามันมาบอกทลายนะ
ยืนซื้อแม่ลาเวทเดมมันหนีเดี๋ยวมันยังงงมาหาที่ทำมีเบอร์ติดเป็นแต่แบบให้เกิดไงทรมาน
Cousin's trying his hand to see if it's anything. So what happens if you put your hand in? You can try that. Let's see what happens. Okay, so the feet, the hand so far it's not doing anything with my hand. Oh yeah, now it's nibbling. Oh man, that feels so weird. Oh man, yeah, they're like nibbling. Yeah, so anywhere you have your skin, oh wow, the hand feels really weird. Oh man, look at this, Jesus Christ, oh my God. Oh man, that's a lot. That's a lot. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh man.